Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and drivers are ready. Plug in your Bluetooth dongle or Wii USB adapter, then open Dolphin and check it detects the device. If using a USB adapter, run Zadig and replace the driver with Win USB so Dolphin can access it. Once done, power your Wiimote and press 1 and 2 together to make it discoverable. You should see blinking LEDs. This gets you into the connection phase quickly and avoids driver conflicts later. Next, configure Dolphin's controller settings so inputs map correctly. Open controllers and set the port to real Wiimote if you want direct Bluetooth pairing, or use emulated with Dolphin bar/USB adapter for more stability. For Bluetooth, click pair and immediately press the red sync button inside the battery cover. Dolphin will show the device when paired. Make sure you select the correct extension type, like nunchuck or classic controller, and fine-tune sensor sensitivity. Finally, verify the connection by launching a Wii title and testing motion, rumble, LED, and button responses. If things work, save your configuration profile in Dolphin for future sessions. If you hit problems, swap batteries first, then try a different Bluetooth adapter or reconnect using Dolphin's rescan button. Also check Dolphin's logs for errors and update your drivers or firmware as needed. One key troubleshooting tip: persistent dropouts usually indicate a low-quality dongle or driver mismatch, so try an alternative adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.